Hi guys, and welcome back to Massell Creations. Thank you so much for joining us today. It is giveaway day, and we are going to start with our channel members. These are folks that pledge a monthly fee to us, and it helps pay for molds and resins and powders and all the good stuff that we need to keep the channel going. So a huge thank you to these folks. They don't have to support us, but they choose to. And so we're going to start with them, and the winner tonight is Katie. Congratulations. Yay, I'll get in touch with you. You're gonna win a gift pack full of resin and mica powders and a $50 gift card for IntoResin for a new mold. So congratulations. All right, we have reset the wheel and we have 9 more winners to go. So spin number 1. Lori Higgins. Congratulations, Lori. I'll get a hold of you and we'll see what you have won. And once you've won, I'm going to take you off the wheel so that you cannot win again. And I went ahead and took Katie off since she won the first round. And let's see who else we have. Good luck, everybody. Round and round and round it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. You dialing? UD Allen. We'll get you an email out, and you have also won. Congratulations. Spin number 3. Round and round and round she goes. Our next winner is Loretta Watts. Congratulations. That is 3. We have 6 to go. Our next lucky winner is Bus Boss 306. Congratulations. Here we go again. This is spin. Uh-oh. Are we on 4? I need to keep better track. Number 4. Joy Shumway. Congratulations. I will reach out to you and see what you would like to win today. Spin number 5. Have at it is spin number 5. Congratulations. Okay, spin number, are we on 6? I've really got to keep better track. Here we go. Good luck. Libra Lady. Whoops, remove all instances. Are you on there more than once, my friend? Well, if you win it again, we'll know that you can't enter more than once. Uh-oh, I've lost track. Are we on 6? 7? I'll look here in a second. Joy, you should have already been off of there. Sorry, folks. Why didn't it come off? Sorry guys, this is new to me. Sandra Beauchard. Hopefully I'm not slaughtering that name. Congratulations. That's 6. This should be 7. And I'll send an email to all of the winners. Sandra, you've already won. It's not taking the names off. I'm sorry, guys. Am I not hitting the remove? I'm so sorry. It's hard to multitask here. Spencer, congratulations. Oh, I am. I'm just hitting close. I'm so sorry, guys. Let's see. Is that... I'm going to zoom you in because I don't want you to think I'm cheating, but I need to look on the side and see how many... let's see here. So it shows me on this. I'll just show you here. We've got Lori, Bus Boss. Joy has won twice. Sandra won twice. You can't win twice. I'm just trying to get my count right here. So we've got It shows 11 results, and with these two that won or got drawn twice, we are at our 9. So those are all of our winners. Congratulations, guys. I really appreciate each and every single one of you. I will reach out to you, and if for some reason somebody does not take a win, doesn't want something, or never reaches back out to me, you'll have 3 days to get back to me. And if I don't hear from you, I will draw another and get a hold of them. So thank you guys again so much for all of your support of the channel. Congratulations to each and every single one of you that won. And we will do this again at 5,000. Woohoo! Talk to you soon, guys. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.